Hey y'all dolls, welcome back to Crochet Tutorials and Reviews. And here we have another tutorial tutorial on a granny circle. So grab your yarn, grab your hook, and let's get started. Now I do start off any granny project with a magic ring. I'm going to chain up 3. This does count as 1 double crochet. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to add another double crochet into that magic ring. I am going to chain 1, and then for the rest of the round it will be 2 double crochets with a chain 1 all the way till we get around 5 times. So that means it will be a total of 6 times. Then we're going to slip stitch to close. I'll be back. I'm back, yarn dolls. Now, changing colors is optional, but it is easier for the tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead on in a chain space, and I'm going to chain up 3. Remember, the chain 3s do count as a double crochet. And then I'm going to add 1 more double crochet in a chain space, followed by a chain 1. And in the same chain space, I'm going to do another 2 double crochets. So in each chain space, we will have 2 double crochets, a chain 1, followed by 2 double crochets. You will do this all the way around, slip stitch to close, and I'll be back. All right, dolls. I'm changing colors again. You don't have to. So I'm going to go ahead on and chain up 3. Remember, this does count as 1 double crochet. And then I'm going to add 2 double crochets in the same chain space. So that means I will have a total of 3 double crochets in each chain space, followed by 1 chain. We will do this all the way around, slip stitch to close, and I'll be back. So when it's laid down, you can see the second round is the increased round. That's why there's 4 double crochets in one space, 2 double crochets followed by chain 1. So for this round, we're going to go ahead on and chain up 3 because this is our last round. I'm going to chain up 3 and I'm going to add 2 double crochets into the same space, chain space, followed by a chain 1. And that means for each space we will have 3 double crochets followed by a chain 1. If you want to increase again the next round, what you will do is 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same space. And that's how you will continue to make your circle bigger and bigger. I hope this helped you all. But go ahead, continue to watch and let me know in the comments if you plan on doing a circle for anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the Yarn Doll family. I love y'all. Now I gotta go. Bye.